Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam and today we're gonna update the maps in MMI 3G Plus. Enjoy the movie. Okay guys, so to update the new maps we're gonna need the SD card with the latest 6.33.1 maps. We're gonna need also the access to the hidden GUI menu. If you don't have one, please check the link in the description as there will be the link to the movie how to enable the access. And we're gonna update our maps from the version I think 6.32.1 to the 6.33.1. Okay, so first we need to go to the hidden GUI menu. To go there, we need to press the menu and the car buttons together. Sometimes might be tricky. You see, you need to hold them for a while. That access sometimes might be quite tricky, but you need to find that moment when you're pressing those two buttons together. You will access to the GUI menu. Now we're gonna remove the old navigation, so you have to go to the nav, database update, delete database. We'll need to reboot, so just press the knob. And like you see, starting navigation database removal, removing database. Please wait at least 30 seconds, then restart the system. So we're gonna wait a while, and then by pressing the menu, central knob and that top right silver button will reboot the MMI. Okay, I think we can do it right now. So 1, 2, 3, and the MMI just rebooted. Today we got a beautiful weather outside, so it will be nice to update our maps in the forest. Yeah, there's our custom logo. If you wish to change your one, please check also the links below the movie description, as there will be a link how to do that. Okay, now we need to wait a while and we're gonna have to go on to the engineering menu, or actually first we're gonna have to go back to the GUI menu to enable user defined mode, because we're gonna need to select manually a map to update. So after rebooting the MMI we need to wait a while and then just press menu and the car. So press the tel to initiate the phone, radio. Again, please wait. Okay, let's try now. Again, menu and the car buttons together. Not initiate, so we need to wait a while. Okay, I think it should be works now. So menu and the car buttons together, and you are going into the GUI menu. Okay, let's try like that. Now we need to scroll down to the SWDL, and we need to pick that option, user defined mode. Then do not reboot the MMI, just go back, and for example press the menu button. Now we need to enter the engineering menu. We need to press together back and the car buttons. I'll just eject the SD2 and insert the SD card with the maps. Now our old maps has been removed, so we don't have any navigation right now. Let's insert the SD with the maps to the SD1 slot. Then go to the update over there. So we need to press this button, select here SD1 because we inserted the SD card into the SD1 slot, and now it's waiting. Now it's reading the SD card, and there is the error: the medium is currently unavailable. So press cancel. I need to wait again. It just might sometimes happen, that error, so do not worry about that. Just wait a couple of seconds more and try again. Like you see, it's now initiated. It's the ECE 6.33.1. For the USA there will be the different version. There will not will be ECE, but there will be NAR. Okay, now it's reading the meta info file. Also, that update might take about 2 up to 3 hours, so if you do not trust your car battery, the battery is connected to the external charger, or just start the engine every 20 minutes just to keep your battery charged. You can also do that update if you're planning some long trip, so you can do that also while you're driving without any problems. Oh, some mosquitoes. Okay, now we got the two modes to select, the standard and the user defined. As you remember, we have enabled that option in hidden green menu, so we're gonna choose that one. And now we need to scroll down and find the Audi MMI 3G ECE. For USA will be exactly the same, but here will be NAR. So let's go inside, and here we need to go inside each option and select the program. Do not select the bootloader. In your case there will be the application. It will be bootloader and application, so only application. If you don't know where to get that updates, I will leave the link in the description below the video, also with the normal manual with the photos how to do that. Yeah, make sure all of them has been selected. Like you see, in your case there will be Y, which means yes, or N, which means no. So everywhere must be Y, which means yes. Okay, everything has been selected. You can also select the Navi persistence, but like you see, there is no changes, so don't need that. Okay, let's scroll down, and there will be the continue. There is the information that do not disturb the update process, and we click on to the start. The MMI will now reboot automatically and will continue after that. You don't need to press anything right now. Do not touch the buttons. Let's just do it by itself. Okay, we got now 12:12, so at the end I'm gonna show you how long does it take. Also, for that newest maps I have to use the 64 GB SD card, because the smaller card will not fit all the files for that update. And as you know or not, the Windows by default do not allow you to that, to format the 64 SD card to the FAT32, so you have to use the second third-party application. How to do that, please check also the links below the video. And now we got the error, so just wait a while and try again. Like I said, it just sometimes might happen if the MMI tries to read too fast the files from the SD card. Like you see, it's continuing right now. Okay, I'm gonna back to you if any errors will show up again, or we just finish the update. So we got 12:13 when we start the update. Okay, I had to change the place where I've been. Like you see, I'm just driving right now, and the maps are still updating, so you don't have to worry about that. We'll cancel that process. Okay, so just half an hour left, and we are still updating. I think we need still about 40 minutes to finish. Okay, so 1 hour left, and we are on TER. Still quite a lot of to go. Okay, so it's 1:25, and the MMI just reported the error 140. That is nothing major, so we can try again, and it should went smoothly. Every time when you see an error, just wait a couple of seconds before you press the try again button. Try again option actually. It has display on the CTUI S3TC, and like you see, it's going. Another update is 152. We're on the PSD3, and if you are running your engine, you can easily switch it off. The update will not stop, like you can see, so don't worry about that. You can, after that you can only just turn on the ignition and wait until it finishes. Okay, I see it's 154 and the update just finished, nearly finished. There's the information that please wait, the process will continue after rebooting. So let's wait a couple of seconds. I will see if it finishes. The MMI has rebooted automatically. You don't have to do anything with the MMI buttons. It's now reading the meta info file. So in my case it took nearly 2 hours. And error. I cannot read the meta information. Error code 8. So just wait a couple of seconds and try again. Now starting the application, waiting for the, and okay. Like you see, Audi MA3 GSE, there is the OK. So the maps has been updated. Now we can just continue. Here we need to click on the cancel documentation, and the MMI will do the final reboot. It will do that automatically, so do not do the manual reboot. Okay, so the MMI is just rebooted. I need to wait the calibration. Okay, so go for the nav. There's the information that navigation is initiated. Please wait. So we're gonna wait until 100%. And let's check the version. We need to go to the menu, setup MMI, but need to wait as it's not initiated yet. Okay, setup MMI, go down to the system version information, and like you see there is the version of the database 6.33.1. So it looks like the maps has been updated. Let's back to the nav screen, and here if after a couple of minutes the navigation will not get blocked, you might see that the information, the navigation is blocked. You might need to activate them. Of course, if you're gonna get the maps from us, we will give you also the license. And how to activate the maps, please check the links in the description, because I have already recorded that movie, so we will not repeat that process. It's quite easy, but takes some time. I think we start at 11 or something like that, so nearly 2 hours. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. If you will have any questions, just leave the comment under this video, or contact me via the email, which you will find on the upgrademyaudi.net website. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and see you in the next movie.